Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can apply a pageless format for your documents and text in Google Docs really quickly. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. So let's assume you're on an example document like that here. And as you can see, there is an end of that page here. So if I, for example, fill that blank page with content or with text, it will sooner or later switch to page number 2 at the bottom here. And there would be a break between these pages. So as you probably know, guys, there's also a pageless format here on the Google Docs that will remove these page breaks here and simply allow you to type on one page, one long endless page without any page breaks. To do that, simply click on Format here at the top and select switch to pageless format, so I can do that really quickly. And there you go. As you can see, if I scroll down, there's actually no end of that blank page. There's no page break. So you can start typing here and this page will practically never end unless, of course, you switch back to page format by clicking on format here and select switch to pages format, and that is going to bring you back the default or the previous setup with these page breaks here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.